Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this logo and it is pretty sharp, but if you can see what I've done to it, and he wanted a hairline around it. He didn't mention anything about getting rid of the white, but a lot of times white will show up, and if we look, it is an RGB white. It should not engrave. He's going to do it on acrylic, but to play it safe, I would take that part out. So this thing is 8, almost 9 inches. I've set my nudge factor to 10. I'm going to trace it. I'm going to do nothing, but I'm not going to convert it to a bitmap, outline trace, and clip art. There's a lot going on, so it's going to take a little bit of time, but it's almost, in just a second, it'll be almost done. I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to go and move it away. Now, you can see here that this says it's a bitmap. This says it's an object with 112 objects. So you know that this is our original. So we can take the original back. I'm going to go and I'm going to ungroup it. And then I'm going to take the white away. But look at all the white everywhere else. So the easiest, you could do it that way. Just click on the white and get rid of it. But if you go to edit and find and replace and go edit query, go up here to fields, uniform field, and then double click on the word, the text, go right here, have that check, go right here, slide it down till you get an eyedropper, and you can see the RGB white. Say okay, find all, and delete. All the white is gone. Now, this is not a line, this is a fill. So the best way to put an outline around it, a hairline, would be to draw a box, take your Smart Fill tool. The Smart Fill tool is going to stop at that line. Take your Smart Fill tool. I'm going to change colors. You do not have to. Fill that in, and that is the shape of our box or our circle. I'm going to left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline. And it is. No, it's 5 points. We're going to make it a hairline. Now you can just nudge it up. Now that is right on the line. It's hard to kind of tell. We can kind of move it out of the way and you can see the line. Now, my suggestion would be to make it a little bit bigger so it's selected with your ratio locked right here, make it 101%. That made your cut line a little bit more. Now, he did mention he's going to engrave it on acrylic, and I'm not a expert on acrylic, but what I have done in the past, I will actually mirror this 180 degrees and turn it backwards and engrave it on the back of the acrylic. I think it'll make it look a little better. If you have some scrap, you can try both ways. Anyway, and it is sharp, crisp, completely ready for the laser. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching. Got a little bit of something right there that's not equal on both sides. You could think about if we get rid of the yellow box so it's easier to grab, you could get rid of it, just kind of clean it up. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.